Thank you, Mike. Younger kids may get their shots soon at the COVID vaccine. Pfizer says its vaccine works for kids ages 5 to 11. The company just released its latest trial on the vaccine. Pfizer studied a lower dose of its 2-dose vaccine in more than 2,200 elementary-age children. It says the vaccine was found to be safe and generated a robust antibody response just as strong as teenagers and young adults. FDA officials say the agency could authorize a vaccine for younger children within weeks of receiving that data. And joining us now to help dig into some of the questions about the vaccine is Angela Sandlin. She is the director of pharmacy at Baptist Health LaGrange. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So if the vaccine is approved for this younger age group, what does that mean for our fight against the pandemic?
It is a very big deal. This will add 28 million people to those that are eligible to get the vaccine and will bring up to 94% of the population eligible to get the vaccine in the United States. So it is a big deal in our fight against COVID-19.
And Pfizer used a smaller dose of the vaccine in this trial. Is this common with vaccines for kids?
Yes, in fact, it depends is the answer. And some vaccines like hepatitis B, you do use a different dose in adults and children. Some others are different, but how they designed the study was they measured the antibody levels in children at this 10 microgram dose, which is about a third of the dose you would give to an adult. They measured that and tested the number of antibodies produced by the children against adults getting the higher dose and found those to be comparable. So they found the best dose with the, you always want to give the lowest, safest, most effective dose. And they did that dose finding and determined that the 10 microgram will do the job just as well and is the perfect dose for children.
And it is no secret that parents always want to do what is best for their child, and many have some reservations about getting their child vaccinated. So what would you say to a hesitant parent?
I would say that this vaccine, the mRNA, has been given, and there have been like 386 million doses of the vaccine given in the United States alone and billions worldwide. It's been vetted very well, and the FDA is looking very carefully at the data that's been collected, and you can have confidence in being able to fight COVID-19 by giving this to your child. Now, it hasn't been approved by the FDA, but it has to go through the committee, the immunization practice committee that looks at that, and they will make a recommendation to the FDA. If it is approved, which we hope maybe by the end of October or possibly a little sooner, you can feel confident that this will be the best way that you can fight COVID-19 for your children and by the same token, prevent it from spreading to others.
All right, that's all the time we have. Thanks so much, Angela. We appreciate you.
Sure. Thank you.